Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix undoing change made to your computer. This problem usually occur when you are failed to update your PC or Windows, so especially in Windows 10. Here, undoing change made to your computer. So to fix this, all you have to do is just go to the safe mode. You can try to hold Shift F8 or just F8 when your PC reboot. Before going to desktop, you can go with You can hold F8 and go to the safe mode. When you're in the safe mode, you can go to the control panel. You can type control panel here if you want for the shortcut, and then try to search the programs. Click, and this one, few installed updates, you can click, and please delete the latest update you can see on this installed on the last update of your Windows, that culprit of your failed or undoing change made to your computer. Try to search the culprit by installed on date blah 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 here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.